Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we decided to do, by the way, we're still in lockdown. We decided to do this crochet installation with my beautiful daughter Lindani. Please check out Loveth Speaks channel. I got the how to do these crochet spring twists from her channel. And the next clip coming up, I got the braiding pattern from Beauty Can Braid. I'm sure a lot of you follow her channel and see what she does on there. She teaches braiding and all sorts of lovely stuff. So I got this braiding pattern from her channel. I will link both the channels in the description box below. So we washed and shampooed Lindani's hair with Design Essentials products, and she did a treatment with rosemary and mint. And then we blow dried her hair. I prefer to blow dry hair before it's cornrowed, because then it does not entangle. Because Lily's hair is quite coarse, it does tend to not entangle if it's not blow dried before braiding or cornrowing. So here basically I'm attaching the crochet twist that we made. By the way, this takes a hell of a lot of time to make, but it's so worth it. It's a cute little style that we did with these crochet twists. And here I'm attaching the crochet twist that we made. With the crochet, you obviously face the crochet needle down to where you want the braid to face. So facing it downwards means the braid will face downwards. Facing it the opposite direction means the braid will face the other way. So I installed it on her hair. This actually didn't take us long. The longest part was actually making the braid, the crochet braid. That took long. That took us about 2 to 3 days to make. But to do this style, to install crochets, it literally took us probably about 45 minutes to actually install her whole head. She has about 120 twists in her hair. And like I said, I got this braiding pattern from Beauty Can Braid, and basically it makes the hair look like it's not crochet, if you know what I mean. So you basically crochet the hair in between the spaces, as you can see, just to hide the tracks at the bottom. The Beauty Can Braid channel is a wealth of information. That woman is talented, beyond talented. But yeah, so we installed the crochets right across all over her head basically, and I'm just gonna keep quiet and let you watch. It's very easy to do. This is the easiest style to do. Even if you don't know how to cornrow your hair, the cornrows don't have to be that neat and that perfect. They just have to be strong enough to actually hold the braid in the hair. So this is not one of those styles where your cornrows have to be super duper neat. But yeah, just watch the rest of the video and I'll pop in here and there to give any information that you might need. Okay, you'll see here on top, don't try not to put your crochet underneath the braid, because that will make your cornrow, sorry, try not to put your crochet braid underneath the cornrow, because it will make your cornrow start to unravel. So you put it on top of you just take a little piece like that. I don't know if I'm explaining it right. You just put it on top of your cornrow, especially where the cornrows are especially where the cornrows are a bit chunky. So you just put it on top of your cornrow, not underneath your cornrow, because if you put it underneath your cornrow, it will make your cornrow unravel and basically the style will fall apart. So just on top of your cornrow, just like that, as you can see, just take a little piece on there, pull the loop through, and then just secure it basically, so on top of the hair. And again here you'll see that I'm putting the crochet needle through on top of the cornrow, not underneath the cornrow. If you put it underneath the cornrow, it'll basically unravel the whole cornrow and your style won't last that long. So yeah, just do it like that. And like I said, I got all these wonderful tips from Beauty Can Braid, and yeah, these crochet twists do last longer. We put in a few blonde ones because she wanted a few colorful colors here and there, but this is the only braiding hair that we had available. All our beauty supply shops and shops that sell braiding hair are closed, so we're basically using whatever stuff that we have. Once you've completed your installation, you're just going to go through and check where there's sparse areas and add some more braid onto there. And you'll see that I crochet on kind of like both sides of the cornrow, because it just makes the braiding hair look fuller and thicker. So I basically install the crochet twists on both sides of the cornrow, and you'll see once it's come down that it actually makes it nice and full and thick. It doesn't spoil the, what is it, the illusion? What is the aesthetic? That's the right word. Big words on Monday. It doesn't spoil the aesthetic of the installation. So once you're pretty much done, you just go through the head and see where there's little bits of sparse areas and add some hair onto there, and that's pretty much it. So here I'm just going through all the little sparse areas and adding where I think it needs a little bit more hair, and just adding that. Yeah, and that was basically it. We weren't going for a uniform kind of style with we're going for more of a layered look with different lengths of crochet braid. So it's not one length basically. There was little bits of short bits, long bits, fat bits, chunky bits. And yeah, so here I'm just going through the head just to see where there's little bits of sparse areas where you can actually see the tracks, and go through it just to make it look more seamless. And now I'm just doing the baby hairs, or should we say the teenage hairs. I'm just adding some edge tamer onto the baby hairs just to smooth out the style and make it nice and clean and neat. So added those baby hairs onto there, and that was the style pretty much done. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, share the video with your friends. It helps my channel to grow. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, so share the video with your friends and subscribe and comment and do all those wonderful lovely things while we're in quarantine, so I can grow this channel. And thank you so much. I'm going to stop talking now. Thank you so much.